This is the Marriott here in, I forgot what city this is. This is definitely a Schindler mod. These were Westinghouse elevators. Ooh, I love that interlock sound. Man, what a shame. Strange how they use blue instead of white. Wonderful. I remember these. I rode these when I was really small. They had a huge indicator going all the way across the top.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, one.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm recording the elevator. I take videos of elevators.
It's a nouveau noir type film.
No.
It's a technical film about how elevators work.
Oh.
I've ruined it now.
Sorry. Here you go. We'll end it at the top floor. I have no idea if she was asking me a question or I don't even know. Hola. I like these cabs though.